Kani gadega Pati CTV, bat pidang pej yaki kubor baman kasni.
Komisi benta kajing petrekam ya ke Nutrition Surveillance System. Haki jela bapher jong kari India ke National Institute of Nutrition ke badai ke senat rekam jong ke Indian Council of Medical Research. Henin kasni ke laipoi trek unailar. Kala palat pejba ya ke Digital Reporting System. Haki jelang ke belalong hapo Integrated Child Development Services Center. Kebaran hapo Mauplang ke bahap hapo East Castles District. Kajing petrekam ya kenik projek kalong ban penkobor ikinong tray Anganwadi bekinla ban bu ya jinglom jingtep lengba kikor komputer dan ke pentrekam ya ke Computer Assisted Personal Interviewing System kenang ban lum jingtep bat ban bu jingkain tek patek haki ICDS. Katong jong ke Nutrition Surveillance System kalong ru ban bu jingkain ya ki kerteng bat ki jing mentoy bala a ki habren ki baju yo jing mentoy lengba ke ICDS Center. Hakani kasngi UMLA ke Mauplang Constituency uba es kesun ulasam ya ki PC tablet Shekinong Tray Anganwadi kum ke jing petrekam pura yakni ke projek.
The government of India is committed to tackle the serious challenge through a specialized workforce under the Integrated Child Development Scheme. However, the program has a certain gaps that limits its effectiveness. One of the key challenges is real-time growth monitoring of children and in-time follow-up action on the situation. With a view to ensure holistic development, Union Cabinet on December 1, 2017 approved the setting up of National Nutrition Mission, which we call NNM, with a 3-year budget of Indian rupees 9046.17 crore commencing from 2017-18. National Nutrition Mission is being rolled out in 3 phases from 2017-18 to 2019 and 20, beginning with 162 backward districts, then 315 districts, and then the rest of India.